Our next presenter is Alayna Rowel, Dysphagia and Biomarkers in Dementia.
Hello, everyone. Have you ever thought about how you swallow your coffee? Probably not, right? Much like breathing, it's automatic and easy. Some people, however, have swallowing disorders, also called dysphagia. Dysphagia symptoms can be subtle at first, much like coughing after a meal, and they can worsen over time. Dysphagia can lead to respiratory illness, malnutrition, and poor quality of life. Now I want you to imagine that you are having trouble drinking your coffee and you can't communicate about it. This may be the case for people with frontotemporal dementia, or FTD, but it hasn't really been explored. People with FTD often have difficulty with behavior and communication. Part of my research is focused on exploring data from a longitudinal study on patients with FTD. Preliminary analysis has found that 42% of people with FTD report dysphagia symptoms. This is almost half. And I think it's important to remember that dysphagia symptoms can be difficult to detect, so this 42% may be an underestimation. Additionally, dysphagia symptoms can worsen over time, and so we need a way to identify dysphagia earlier. This is where biomarkers come into play. Biomarkers are measurable indicators of disease, taken via blood draw, for example. The specific biomarker that I'm interested in is neurofilament light chain, and it is produced as brain cells begin to deteriorate. Neurofilament light chain has previously been identified as a potential way to help with early identification of other symptoms. And so we are the first to explore NFL in relation to dysphagia. By analyzing existing data, I seek to link neurofilament light chain levels with the onset of dysphagia, like it has been in previous work. This is important because not only do we need to pay attention to dysphagia in FTD, but we also need methods of early identification, and this leads to early intervention. At the end of the day, early intervention leads to better outcomes and more moments of joy, such as drinking a cup of coffee. Thank you.